Hey guys, this is Mama Made. I have the save coupon insert that's coming on Sunday, October the 16th, 2022. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you. Keep in mind, inserts can vary per region. Some of these coupons you may or may not have. So here we have $1.50 on the Axe deodorant body spray or body wash. Those are usually, limit of 2. Really nice Tresemme coupon, 5 off of 2. Buy one, get one free. Love Beauty and Planet products. Dove, $2.50 off of the dry spray and $2 on the advanced even tone or zero. $2 on the men's deodorants. 3 off of 2 on the Dove hair care. Buy one. Women's, get the men's for free. A lot of times these really great coupons, the drugstores give us really great deals to go with them. 2 off of 3 fun size M&M, Snickers, or Skittles. And check out the expiration date. It doesn't expire until November. So I'm going to be taking these out to Rite Aid because they always have at least M&Ms and Skittles left over after Halloween. So get those 50% off and take a 2 off of 3. Definitely going to be using that one. Hopefully there's going to be some stuff left at the store. CeraVe, $3 on one, $4 on the baby, and $3 on the skin renewing. Mederma, $8, and $7 on the dry oil. Snuggle, $1.50, and $2 on the in-wash booster. $1.50 on all, and $2 on the larger all. Renews It, buy 4, get 2 free. $1 on the cones or the diffuser. $2 on Persil. 3 off of the larger count. Maybelline, $1 on the eye stuff and $2 on mascara. $2 on the face and $2 on the lip. Especially Maybelline, L'Oreal, Garnier, they tend to be regional coupons. 5 off of 2. There's a lot of different, it's coloring products there. 3 off of 1, skincare. $1.50 on the Elvive and 5 on 2. Garnier, we have 2 off of 1, 3 off of the Green Labs moisturizer, 4 off of 2 the hair color, and 3 off of 2 the Garnier Fructis, 3 off of 2 whole blends, 75 cents on the Eggos, which is a great coupon. If you have a store that doubles, that's going to be good for you. I'm sure we'll have time to use that before the end of November when it expires. $3 on Remfresh, $5 on Ivy Guard or FD Guard. We are almost done. A whole bunch of Revlon coupons. Face, hair product, hair dye, 2 on the lip, 3 on the eye, and $1 on the eye tools. Almay, $3 on eye. There was a $3 Ibotta rebate. Also, I don't know if that's still available or not. 3 on the face and 3 off of 2 on the makeup removers. Magna Life, $2 on 1 and $3 on the tablets. $2 on the pink multivitamins, and I believe that is it. All right, guys, so just wanted to share what's coming in the insert. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.